Alright, what's going on, boys? Today we're gonna make a goofy glow beat. I'm gonna show you how to make it from scratch. I'm gonna show you the melody. I'm gonna show you how to make the chords, all the layers and stuff, some sound design. Yeah, pretty much show you everything. So let's get right into it. Alright, so for these like glow beats, you want to keep your BPM around like 130 to about 150. 150 is probably on the high range. We're gonna do something around like 140 to 145. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some sort of like pad layer just to lay down our rough chords, and then we're gonna layer it with a bunch more pads and then a bunch more keys and stuff like that. Let's get this pad right here. And I'm just gonna change the scale. Let's do D sharp minor. And now we have our scale highlighter set. A method I found for building these chord progressions fast is just start on your root note. So in this case, it's D sharp, and we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up, and then we're gonna delete these, and then we can do something like this right here, and then go 1 up. And then this method for like getting this chord progression works in any minor scale. So in any minor scale, you can do the same thing. So just start with your root note, say D sharp, and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up, and then just get rid of these, and then you saw what I did here. But yeah, this works in any minor scale, so just give it a try. We're gonna take these, just shift up. Get another pad layer, and then we're just gonna copy our OG chords, paste them in this one. Okay, now we're gonna go into Xenology and get an organ, and we're gonna do some like organ kind of stabs. Basically for these beats, you just want a lot of layers. Low-key, I don't like the pads anymore, but I think I'm gonna try to finagle it. Should add these like bass notes right here. Just paste them over here. I think what I'm gonna do is add like a gross beat kind of gate, so just like a volume gate. I'm gonna keep adding more melodies. I'm gonna try some of these strobes in this new kit that I'm working on right here. It's called Music Plus. I might rename it, but in this kit, I'm working on a bunch of like glow type sounds. So it's gonna be like glow and mostly hood trap, at least for right now. I might add more sounds in like a different lane, but for right now, it's just low focused and hood trap. So stay on the lookout for that. And for these strobes, I put the note that it's like playing. So basically you can just like pitch it up or down to put it in the scale that you're using. Try this one right here. And this is C sharp. So we can move it down 3 or keep it right here. Try moving it down 3. Add this one too. It's just like a bunch of textures, you know, we gotta like fill it in. Just gonna move it over a little bit so it hits right on the 1. Let's add a lead, and then I think we're gonna add more like kind of textures and stuff to fill it in. So I'm gonna go to the 20K kit, which is gonna be out as soon as we hit 20K. It's gonna be completely free. Bunch of one shots, loops, midis, drums, you know what I mean? Everything you need, it's all gonna be in there. So let's go back into Xenology and get maybe a piano or an organ. Oh, let's do like a Z roll. Alright, I'm gonna start on the drums. I think we're just gonna 2-step it. What I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna take all our melodies right here, hold Shift Control, and just select all these just to route them to one bus. So go over here, right click, route to this track only. And basically this makes it so I can just low cut like this one channel and I'll low cut all the melodies. So basically I don't have to like individually EQ every single one to do like this, you know what I mean? And then also if I want to add effects, I can just add effects to this one track right here and it'll affect all these melody sounds. adding some like horn stabs or something like that. And then, yo, another tip right here is if you guys don't have a MIDI keyboard, you just want to use your like computer keyboard, what you can do is just make sure this is selected right here and then right click on it. And then right here, set the root note to whatever scale you're in. That way, any note you press on your keyboard will be in key. So super goated, like remember that. That's tough though. Okay, the sound's definitely not it, but I'm rocking with this. It sounds good though. Okay, it's kind of a totally different vibe, but I can maybe take these out. Adding like a cheesy kind of like piano. Okay, I'm gonna rework this lead. Or maybe I'll keep it for a section and I'll do a different section for a different section. You know what I'm saying? Let's tweak the hi-hat. Let's do like a little roll right here. Okay, I'm gonna add a few percs right here. We need this like Zabel. I'm gonna go through and like mix these melodies a bit because I like where it is. I think there's a few ideas that kind of like don't really mesh that well. So I'm gonna go through the sounds and kind of try to touch it up. All right, so I'm gonna arrange the beat now. Let's go over here to where it says pattern, right click, hit split by channel, go over here to open the playlist, and then we have so many melodies. It's gonna be crazy.
Underdogs.
Yeah, we're done. I'm gonna export this and let's hit freestyle.
Damn, I got that guava lot. Tell that bitch kick rap. Yeah, step and I do what I like. Yeah, got your bitch tight. Switch up on a light. up light. Switch it on a pipe. Okay, dike, hike. What else rhymes? Dike, hike. Hey Siri, what rhymes with hike?
Do you want me to use ChatGPT to answer that?
Yes.
Words that rhyme with hike include like spike, bike, strike, pike, mic, psych, and trike.
Yeah, said it once or twice, your bitch got lice. Said it once or twice, your bitch not nice.
Underdogs.
Yeah, she was a dyke. I get a guapa light. Try that codeine right out the pipe. And she ain't my type. She was a dyke. Told her go to hike. I get a guapa light. And she ain't my type. Yeah, said it once or twice, your bitch got lice. Yeah, said it once or twice, your bitch not nice. Yeah, fuck it, we're done. We're done. We're done. You're done. You're done.
Underdogs.